everyone, I'm the Chinese teacher Heidi and welcome to Chinese in 12 Weeks. Today we are going to talk about how do we say no to people in Chinese. There are two words we use on no. The first one is 没, 没. Second one is 不, 不. Alright, they use on the different situation. The first word 不 we use on things in the present, in the future. Something doesn't happen regularly, or something is about your personal will, or something is based on the common estimation. Let's put in the sentence and try it out, make it clear. Number one, something in the present or something happened regularly, but we are saying no now. That's why we say something doesn't happen regularly. Like, I don't smoke. 我不抽烟. 我不抽烟. Like little sister doesn't drink. 妹妹不喝酒. 妹妹不喝酒. Number two, things based on the common estimation or your personal will. Like, it's not. 不是. 不是. Or don't know. 不知道. 不知道. Or should not. 不应该. 不应该. Or don't want. 不要. 不要. Number three, things in the future, but we are saying no, so something is not happening in the future. Like, don't go to work. 不要去上班. 不要去上班. Or, I'm not eating dinner tonight. 今晚我不吃晚饭. 今晚我不吃晚饭. Another word 没 is used for things are not existed, you cannot change it, or something is supposed to happen in the past. Like, oh, I don't have blue eyes. It's not existed. So you can say 我没有蓝眼睛. 我没有蓝眼睛. Or something like, oh, you're not on the list. 你没在名单上. 你没在名单上. Or I have never been to Beijing, so something in the past. 我没去过北京. 我没去过北京. Let's try to compare these two words. 没 is for something didn't happen, and 不 is for something not happening. So some of the activity we can make it in the past or make it in the future. Actually, they can use both of the words. Like drive a car. 开车. You didn't drive a car. 没开车. You're not driving a car. 不开车. Like eating. 吃饭. So you didn't eat. 没吃饭. You're not eating. 不吃饭. Like go to work. You didn't go to work as 没上班. If you're not going to work, 不上班. Got it now? You could try to make some sentences too. Alright, please like the video if you enjoyed it and I will see you guys next time. Bye!